Howdy everyone, I am Yuifam and in today's tutorial I will show you on how to use Drona Composer to submit job and on how to monitor your job progress. So I will demo it on ACES portal, but it will be the same for every other portal. And in the XPRC website, under the portal tab, you can go to ACES portal. So here's the homepage of the ACES portal. Under the job tab, you will see a Drona Composer and Drona job listing, but you can also access that from the ACES dashboard as well. So I will go to the Drona Composer. So here's Drona Composer. Drona Composer will generate and submit JavaScript for many common XPC workflow. In this video, I will show you the base environment. The base environment is the most flexible one that can be used to create your own custom JavaScript. It's also a convenient replacement for creating your batch script manually in a text file on a login node as well. So first you need to enter a name for your job. So the name of the job will be used to create a directory for your job location as well. As you can see, it's reflected in the location. You can also change this location by clicking on the change button. So here will pop up a model and it will show you all available space that you have on a cluster, like your home, your scratch, or all the group that you're in. So you can click on the child directory, show you more, and then you can also click previous to go back. And then you can save change to save the location showing here, but I will click close because I will keep the default location. So the default location is still here. So next I will choose the environment with a base one because I want to demonstrate that. So it will show a lot of additional field. So the first one is the upload file. You can upload your file folder, up to you. If you want, you have some more data that you already have that you want to upload to your JavaScript. So you can also upload a folder. And if you mistakenly uploading some file that you don't want, you can click on that to remove it. So the next one is the add module. You can add as many add module that you want. This is equivalent to the module load on a cluster. So this feature is auto suggest. So when you typing something, it will suggest you the matching module that match with your word. So for example, I will search for Python module. It will show you different options that match with the PYT word. You can click on that. Click add, it will show here. You can add more module if you want. And also the similar as upload file, you can click on them to remove it. So the fields here is for you to add a path directive for your JavaScript, for example, the core, the node, the memory. Most of them you don't need to specify. If you don't specify and leave blank, it will use the default value. So for example, I will add some data and then remain blank for other. So for GPUs, I will pick the H100 GPU and the rest I can leave it blank. After that, I can generate script. It will pop up a model that show you the JavaScript that we will create it for you. So as you can see here, it's create a bunch of SPath directive for you automatically. Because you leave blank on the memory, it will use the default value and the default time. Here, job name. And because you pick the H100 GPU, it's also shown here as well. And then also it loaded a Python module for you here. This base environment is flexible for you to add the command that you need to run your job. Uh, for the demonstrate purposes, I will add an echo hello world command and a sleep command. But when you create your job, you should add all the command that you need to run your job. And I will let it sleep in 2 minutes. After that, I can click submit to submit a job. It will pop up a pop-up that show that you already successfully submitted a job with a job ID. You can click OK. You can note this job ID. And one of that, you can go to the dashboard page under job tab, Drona job listing. If you go to the running job tab, you can see your job here is running with a GPU thing. There will be another video on how to using this Drona job listing, so I will end the video here. Alright, hopefully this video can help you to guide you to how to submit a job script using a Drona Composer. Thank you for listening.